Welcome, in front of me is an LG V60 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So before we get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture, which for me I'm just gonna use, let's see, I guess this page of apps, whatever. It just needs to be visible on the screen. And once it is, all you need to do is hold power key, volume down, both at the same time. You'll get this animation and a minimization of the image down below. And from here, I have a couple different things that you can do. You can basically share it, edit it, remove it. And the image itself can be found in your photo gallery right here. There's only one thing, so not really hard to find, but there it is, the image. So that is how you would capture a screenshot. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.